Every legendary restoration begins with one forgotten machine. Years of neglect hide an engine waiting for another chance. Beneath the dirt, the true beauty slowly starts to appear.
Every broken part must come off before new life can begin.
Rust has ruled this car for years, but not anymore. Piece by piece, the legend is being rebuilt, stronger than ever. Every surface must be perfectly smooth before the next step. A strong foundation protects the car for years to come. A strong suspension gives this classic Mustang the confidence to return to the road once again. Power means nothing without complete control. The heart of the Mustang is ready to beat again. The moment has come to bring this icon back to life. The final coat transforms years of decay into timeless beauty. Every detail returns with precision, bringing the legend back together. Inside, the Mustang is reborn with craftsmanship and comfort. After years of silence, the heart of the Mustang beats once again. From forgotten metal to rolling masterpiece, the journey is complete. Every scar has become a story. Every bolt has a purpose. This is more than a restoration. It's the return of a legend. If you enjoyed watching this restoration, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing car restoration projects. See you in the next video.